All right, we're gonna be installing a doorbell in this old house. So this thing has 20 volts coming from it. Let's see, can you see? Yeah. Well, we got 20 volts coming from it, but I'm not about to run around and find out where the transformer is to this thing, or which breaker it's connected to, because that's going to take me too much time. And this is 20 volts. It really ain't nothing serious. All right. I guess the proper way to do it would be to turn the power off to it completely, but we just ain't doing that today. I don't have time to do that today. So this is the back of your doorbell. This is the doorbell. It just comes with that and 2 screws. Very simple. I guess you would say this is wiring it hot, because technically it is on, but 20 volts, that ain't really. See, can y'all see that? Beautiful. Booyah. Now we're gonna get our next one. And I thought that he walked on water. Right? She's wired up. Let's see if we hear anything. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? Open the goddamn door. All right, I had to use my little baby on it. She gonna get it. And once you work around this stuff enough, you know what's gonna bite you and what's not. In low voltage wire 2024, you mess with a lot of 24 volt wires doing AC work. It's just ain't got that much power to it. But if you would want to be completely safe, you could go and hit every breaker and come back and until you don't have any voltage using your multimeter, because she don't even have it on me. My little voltage checker, this thing won't even show. If I put it on that, it doesn't even go off. It won't register. So you got to use a multimeter to check. And I forget what I'm saying, but guess what? We got us a doorbell. Till next time. This is our transformer to our doorbell. See that? Dirty little sucker. Okay. These transformers are sometimes in the attics or outside the house, but this is coming from 120 volts. And as you can see, that wire is leading to the front of the house. But, so I could basically say, okay, this is getting 120 right here. I could either undo them right here and have no power, or I could go shut the breaker off to whatever line this is. And this line is controlling that light right there. I could find that, but I went ahead and bypassed it because it wasn't that big of a deal. Or not bypassed it, but just hooked it up while it was hot because it's not that big of a deal. Yep. That's old school right there, baby.